Finally, the last way in how to show gratitude to Allah Azza wa Jal is to show gratitude to the people, to thank the people. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he says in the hadith, لا يشكر الله أو لا يشكر الله من لا يشكر الناس. That the hadith means Allah Azza wa Jal does not accept the deeds of the one who does not show gratitude to people. Because when you show gratitude to people, you are essentially being grateful to Allah Azza wa Jal, because you realize that the ultimate ni'mah comes from Allah and people are a means. So you need to thank these people. And the hadith also means that the one who doesn't thank the people for the good and favors they do for him, most likely he doesn't show gratitude to Allah Azza wa Jal. So when people do good to you, say to them, جزاكم الله خيرا. In fact, the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, if someone صنع إليكم معروفا, if someone did something good for you, did you a favor, gave you something, and if you said to them, جزاكم الله خيرا, may Allah reward you with great good, كان قد بالغ في الثناء. In that, if you say these words to someone who's done good for you, you have emphasized, you have gone overboard in praising this person. You have gone overboard in praising this person. So we must thank the people for the good they do to us. Very important. And as I said to you, when you thank people for the good they do, in your mind you should know they are only means. However, the favor they're doing for you came directly from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.